Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching my videos. And last night I go home late past midnight because I have a babysitting, and then today I don't have time to cook, so I ordered pizza and chicken with fries for my son, and I'm waiting for the delivery driver. Ayan guys, dumating na yung aming food delivery today kasi I don't have time to cook, and I order a pizza from Papa John's, and that's my order. And for my son is some chicken and Coca-Cola. Okay, said, can you get your food and check what's in there? Tingnan natin yung kanyang order. Meron siyang fries, so I ordered 2 fries for him and chicken. What's in the box? Yan ang kanyang lunch today. Chicken, mahilig kasi yan sa chicken na bata na yan eh. And said, can you take away your foods here please, and your drinks, don't forget. Ayan guys, and then buksan naman natin yung order kong pizza. And this is my order from Papa John's Pizza. Wow, so yummy guys. This is the large thin crust. Look, this is the one I order. Yan, let's taste it. Yan guys, kunin natin yung isa. First bite, I ordered large pizza kasi. And first bite, to my loyal subscriber, I like this one, the ham and Hawaiian pizza. And then let's gonna open this one, the garlic dips. It's so tasty. Let's gonna open it. And guys, buksan na natin yung garlic dip nila. Gusto ko to eh. Nasasarapan ako sa garlic dip nila. Tsaka, guys, unang subo sa loyal subscriber. Ang sarap. Ito lang yung gusto kong flavor na pizza. Pa-Hawaiian pineapple. Diba? Hawaiian tawag dito eh. Sa garlic dip, masyado siyang malasa. Masarap. Sobra. Ang anak ko kumakain na siya. Alam niyo naman yung may pagkamahiyain. Ayaw niya sumali. Magluluto pa kasi ako. Kaya lang kasi ulit tayo natulog. Umaga na. Umaga ako nagising kasi nagpa-flu vaccine ako today. Tapos ayan. Sabi ko sa anak ko, I like pizza. Gusto ko kumain ng pizza. And then I order, and then sabi niya siya rin daw. Pero chicken sa kanya. Yan. Okay, bigyan natin ng treats yung sarili natin, tayong mga OFW. Not all the time is palagi tayong magtitipid. Wala naman maganda yung mas maganda pala, diba, yung once a week we order food takeaway or we dine in a restaurant to reward ourselves, because we work hard every day for us also, first for us. Sarap. Ay, tsaka ang dami. Large kasi in order ko. Pero hindi ko kayang kaubusin yan. Kasi yung anak ko, ang paborito niya pala, margarita. Hindi siya kumakain ng may mga toppings. Gusto lang niya margarita. Tsaka hindi siya mahilig. Ako kasi ano ko, paborito ko pesa eh. Ang sarap guys. At look guys. Ang dami pa oh. Ang dami pa niya. Ako lang kakain yan. Pero hindi ko siya mauubos today. So, bali dinner ko na to. Lunch pala. Umaga pa pala. Pwede na rin. Diretso na rin natin dinner. Kasi ang dami eh. Ang dami. Siguro, magluluto na lang ako ng yakisoba, pancit canton, tapos pizza. Ah, diba? Naka-promo kasi siya. Ang sarap. Thank you guys sa mga sumusuporta sa video ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Katapusin ko lang yung aking pagkain. Thank you so much and God bless us all.